Next, we visit Vicount Industries, a leading supplier of stamping dies for over 30 years. Vicount Industries has grown in size and stature as a leader in tool and die fabrication. Innovative tools and technologies allow Vicount to compete in the new global economy. Let's take a look.
Line 1.
Right now, about 85% of our work's automotive. The other 15% is aircraft. Vicount Industries is a tool and die shop in Farmington Hills. We moved to Farmington Hills in 1984. When we moved here in 84, I think we had 6 of us here. And now we're up to 60 people. Right here on Hathaway, we're extremely close to the expressways. We can get product moved in and out quickly. We're close to our customers. This is the center of activity. Our primary core business is metal stamping dies. If you've seen like the coils of steel on the semi-trucks going down the road, those are the coils that come into our facility, run through our tools, and they'll actually produce a part that goes on a car, comes out the end of the die.
With the amount of work done on the shop floor, there are occasional changes or modifications to the equipment and dies. Vicount Industries has made this an easy task by having all aspects of the job available on site. The dies are designed upstairs by in-house engineers. The parts for the dies are machined on the same floor as the presses that will later use them. This allows for complete flexibility and control over each project.
A die is made up of, hundreds of pieces usually, okay? And each piece has to be detailed out so that a guy out on the floor can make each piece, and then the assemblers will assemble all the pieces together to make the die. For instance, they noticed that the location of the screw holes don't line up to the piece that it's mounting to. They would come up and let us know, and we would make the adjustments and then give them new data on that.
The new data is translated into corrections to any die, press, or machine part to keep productivity at full speed.
This is done on a CAD system. He actually programmed this with various tools. Everything is made as a component and then assembled, just another piece of the puzzle. This is kind of another example of a progressive die. Again, different coil width, different material thickness, again, different forms. This being the last operation, it would be cut off, and then this would be a left and a right hand component. I love what I do.
This is a transmission oil pan that we designed and built the tooling for. This tool is actually made from what you call a transfer die.
There's actually a mechanism attached to the press that will actually transfer this part from station to station to station.
Before we started a design like this, we would run this part through our draw simulation software to verify that we can actually make this part without cracks or tears or folding in the part before we actually build the tool.
Tool and die businesses help to support research and development efforts made by major corporations within the state. To continue to do this, companies such as Vicount have made every effort to have all the available resources they'll need.
Vicount Industries has joined a collaborative called the Global Tooling Alliance. We're teamed up with other companies in related businesses. We can share resources We can't possibly have every piece of equipment that we would want in our facility, and some of these other companies have pieces of equipment that are helpful to us that we can use on a part-time basis, so we share equipment, share ideas, and through this collaboration, keep a lot of that work right here in the Michigan area. So far our time in Farmington Hills has been a terrific experience. Everybody's been cooperative, helping us out with the expansions, helping us out with safety issues. We want to see ourselves here in Farmington Hills for a long time.